Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. St. Prosper is a municipality in the Beauce-Sartiguin region in southern Quebec. It is located in the Chaudière-Appalaches region, not far from the border with the United States. Today, the population is around 6,000 people, making it one of the larger communities in this part of the Beauce region. St. Prosper is known for its manufacturing sector, strong local economy, and deep agricultural and forestry roots. The municipality began to develop during the 19th century as settlers moved into the Beauce area, searching for farmland and opportunities in logging and trade. Early families cleared forests, built roads, and established farms that would support future generations. Like many rural communities in Quebec at the time, St. Prosper grew slowly through hard work and close cooperation between local residents. St. Prosper was officially established in the late 1800s and was named after St. Prosper of Aquitaine, a Christian writer and theologian from the 5th century. Religion played a major role in the early development of the municipality. The parish church became an important center for social life, education, and community gatherings. For many decades, the Catholic Church had a strong influence throughout Quebec, especially in smaller rural towns like this one. Forestry was one of the first major industries in the area. The forests surrounding St. Prosper provided timber for homes, sawmills, and businesses throughout Quebec. Logging camps operated in the region for many years and created employment for local families. Over time, the economy became more diversified as manufacturing and small industries expanded throughout the Beauce region. Agriculture remains an important part of life in St. Prosper and the surrounding countryside. Dairy farming, cattle operations, and maple syrup production are common throughout the region. Quebec produces most of the world's maple syrup, and communities in the Beauce continue to play an important role in that industry. During the spring sugar season, maple production becomes a major tradition across rural Quebec. The region surrounding St. Prosper is known for its rolling hills, forests, and rivers. Outdoor recreation is a major part of local life throughout the year. In winter, snowmobile trails connect communities across southern Quebec and attract visitors from other parts of Canada and the northeastern United States. During the warmer months, people enjoy hiking, camping, fishing, and cycling throughout the region. Today, St. Prosper continues to balance its rural heritage with modern economic development. Its history is connected to farming, forestry, manufacturing, and faith. While the municipality has evolved over time, it remains an important part of the Beauce region and continues to represent the resilience and work ethic that have shaped southern Quebec for generations.
Thanks for watching!